Wrote a little verse about the art of chiropractic. Adjustments of the back, got you feeling magic. Feeling lit, feeling light, feeling fantastic. Wanna get cracked up, you can have it.
Got you feeling good, 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 got you spinning like a gyro. Got you feeling good, 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 got you spinning like a gyro.
Good. Doing okay?
¿Cómo se siente?
Gracias, mi Dios. Oh, muy bien. No,
¿Sintió alivio?
sí, porque
Where do you feel
me
that at?
tronó.
¿A dónde lo sintió?
Aquí me tronó en el merito hueso que me duele.
¿En la nuca? Entonces sí agarró la parte que le dolía.
Sí.
Pass through here. Just relax. Relax, drop that shoulder.
Baja el brazo.
Just relax, drop that shoulder. Let's bring your arms all the way across. Nice and tight here. Bring your chin towards your chest. Deep breath in. Exhale all the way.
¿Está bien?
Sí, sí, estoy bien. Ay, gracias, doctor.
You're welcome.
Sí, estoy muy bien.
¿Sí?
Sí.
Yeah. Good. Okay.
Wrote a little verse about the art of chiropractic. Adjustments of the back, got you feeling magic. Feeling lit, feeling light, feeling fantastic. Wanna get cracked up, you can have it.